siya. Can you give her something? Like give her a tissue or something. It's okay. You can use your hands. Aw. Ah, good. And this one. Oh my gosh. Ganyan na pala yung nangyayari sa valedictorian na. Ayun.
Voice over, Roxanne. Dati-rati, nung kumpara ako ng parents ko sa'yo. Look at me now, Dad. Hindi man ako naging valedictorian tulad ni Cindy. Pero sino ngayon na nagwag?